Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an issue on Microsoft Edge where the screen is flashing black when you are navigating the web browser. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select apps. On right side select installed apps. In search apps you just need to search for Edge. You just need to click on the three dot icon over here and select modify. Select yes. And now click on repair. Hopefully at this point your problem has been resolved guys. If you're still having issue then you just need to close it off here. And now right click on the start icon and select device manager. Expand the display adapter section and now right click on the display adapter you having it and select update driver. And now select browse my computer for drivers. And now select let me pick from available list of available drivers on my computer. Click on it. And now I recommend selecting the manufacturer specific one unless there is only a generic driver for it, and then select next. And now the driver has been updated guys. Now close it off here, and I will suggest you to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.